Hey, howdy, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. And you are watching Painting 101 with chalked up paint. The Mod Podge method is a great technique to use when stenciling. It can be a great solution to stenciling on super textured surfaces to prevent bleeding. Once your stencil is applied, brush Mod Podge onto your stencil where you intend to paint. Let the Mod Podge dry completely. This will let the Mod Podge seep into any cracks and fill spots where paint would have seeped in and made bleed marks. Once the Mod Podge is dry, paint on top of the stencil as you would any other time. When the paint is just about dry, slowly peel your stencil off. If there is any bleeding, you can go in with a small brush and touch up with whatever your base coat is. Happy crafting!